So it takes the trade, and there you go, it's won. So yeah, that's how simple it is. Hello and welcome back. My name's Blaine and I'm one of the co-founders here at Tier Trading. Today we're going to go over what is automated trading. We're then going to dive into an example of how to trade a manual strategy into an automated strategy. It's going to be a great episode and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so let's get into the theory into what automated trading is. In the simplest terms, automated trading is when a computer program makes a trade instead of a person. Now, we use a program called FXGame to do this, but other people will then put loads of different lots of robust code in it. So basically, think of the automated trading as a robot. The robot will buy and sell things for you in the currency market without you actually having to do anything. Now, to use an automated trading system, you need to input specific and special rules and calculations so then it knows when to buy and when to sell. The algo can do this very quickly and never gets tired. So that is exactly one of the reasons as to why we use automated strategies, because we need our sleep, we work, we need to do other things. We can't beat the charts all the time. If you were, you get really tired. So in theory, this will then help make trading more efficient and accurate. Okay, so there's not much else I really need to share apart from that. So let me jump into the charts and let's develop a strategy together that I can show you that we can then automate. Okay, so I've went on to TradingView and I've pulled up the euro dollar price chart. And what we're going to do is we're going to walk you through a simple strategy that is commonly used in the forex world. And that is an EMA crossover. So first of all, we're going to go to our indicators. We're going to type in moving average. Yep, exponential. We're going to have two. So we're going to put this one to a 5 length. Move it to white, make it a little thicker. And then the second one, let's go with 200 moving average. That's commonly used to catch long-term trends. Okay, so yeah, you can see there's the 200 moving average. It's it catches big trends, and you can see the 5 really just follows price. Okay, so let me just remove this from the chart. So the thesis of this strategy is when this line, when the 5 crosses above the 200 moving average, we want to buy. Let's go back to an instance here. Yep, so you can see the 5 moving average is crossing below the 200, and that's when we want to sell. Okay, so for the strategy, we're just going to keep it simple. We are looking for that buy, it crosses, and we'll just use something static like a 50 point or 50 pip stop loss. We're going to go for a 1 to 3 risk to reward. So three times the 50 is 150 pips. Okay, so yeah, in essence, this trade probably would have worked out. So would have got that 3% return if you risk 1%. But the whole point about what I'm going to show you is you can't always be at the charts. I mean, if you're waiting for that specific moment for that crossover to happen, it could happen any point within a 24-hour day. And yeah, you're not always going to be up. You might be working. So this is why we use a program called FXGame to automate this, and I'll show you that next. Okay, so I've went on the program that we use to create our algos called FXGame, and let's build that strategy that I just showed you on the previous screen on TradingView. Okay, so I'm going to pull up my conditions. Now, anything in this probably will never make sense to you because it's a program never used, but I'm just going to show you in theory how we make it, okay? So within the condition, we can see we want the 5 exponential when it crosses above the 200 exponential. We're looking to buy. So let me just change that to the daily time frame, which is the one we were using. And yeah, we want it on the most recent candle. Okay, so we can just delete that, copy, paste, and yeah, we'll do cross below. So yeah, that is basically how simple this strategy is going to be. Obviously, we don't trade all hours of the day, so let's put a quick time filter at the top between specific trading hours that you would normally trade with. So we'll go with, let's go with GMT, I don't know, 2300 till 1900. Okay, so that means this algo will run between 11 o'clock at night and 7 o'clock at night. Okay, so we only want it to trade once per bar. And we want to make sure that there's no other positions. Otherwise, the algo will just keep taking trades unless you tell it not to, basically. So we only want to take the trade once when that is happening. So, yep, we'll just do that. Again, we'll do the exact same for the other side, once per bar. Once per bar means once per candle, really. Just if you don't know, again, make sure that there's no positions to the sell side before we're selling. Okay, let's connect these up. Now, to the buy, we always want to, let's say, we want to risk 1% of our accounts. And yep, our stop loss, 50 pips is what we were going for. And then we're going for 150 pip return as a take profit. Okay, so again, we'll do the same with the sell side. 1% risk, 50 pip stop loss, 150 pips target. Okay, so this is how simple it is to create an algorithmic strategy, and we'll go test it in the next part. Okay, so I've jumped across to my MetaTrader 5 platform where we are going to test the strategy first and foremost to see if it's profitable and show you exactly how it works and what it does. So I've downloaded the Expert Advisor we previously built on FX Streamer, the AMA crossover for YouTube as is. Now we're going to test this on, well, we wanted to test it on the euro dollar because that's the chart that we made it on. So we'll make sure we're testing on the euro dollar with daily, and we're going to test it from 2015 to, well, it'll be the end of 2021 because I've not uploaded the latest data. Okay, so basically you just put the expert in, the symbol in, the dates that you want to test from, and yeah, let's see how it does. So we'll just press start. Okay, so we can see that we've got our EMA, the 5 EMA on, and the 200 EMA is there. So simply what we're going to do is we're going to wait until this crosses that, or vice versa, it crosses below. Now, the strategy was built on a daily time frame, so this could take a while. So we will just wait patiently and see what the outcome is. Okay, so I have fast forwarded to a place where there's going to be a trade. So I'm just going to play it and show you exactly how the algo works and how it's a hands-off experience. So let me just play. We'll speed up a little bit. Yep, as you can see, it just crossed there. So it takes the trade, and there you go, it's won. So yeah, that's how simple it is. You don't need to be at the chart. The algo that we just programmed did it all for me. So that's the backtest finished. And looking at these results, it's nothing great. We can see since the start of 2015 to the end of 2021, yeah, we're pretty much break even. So yeah, it probably looked really easy in how I've made this strategy, but honestly, trying to find a strategy that's very profitable over that time period that you'd want to trade with your own money that could beat the S&P or something like that is very hard to come by, very hard to find. So yeah, basically we've already done all that hard work for you. That's the tier. We've got two algos. One's releasing very soon called Sequenti that does do exactly what I said we need to try and do, which is beat the S&P. So if you're interested in getting involved with this algorithm, we are doing a beta launch in the next couple of months. You can find the sign up form on our website at www.statiertrading.com. So yeah, if you're interested, please sign up to it. We also have an assessment tool to see if you're the right fit for the algos, and you'll get to know a little bit more about that. But if you have enjoyed this episode, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.